A warm founder, Chancellor, Colonel Dr. J.P.R. Sir, we have all gathered here virtually for Marine Fiesta, an oceanic quest for school students, organized by Center for Ocean Research, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, in association with Ministry of Earth Science and Technology Cell. Center for Ocean Research, I take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our patrons, Dr. Maria Zena Johnson, Chancellor, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, and Dr. Mary Johnson, President, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, for the constant guidance, support, and encouragement in all our activities. On this wonderful day, I welcome Dr. B. Sheila Rani Ma'am, Director Research, Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, who is a backbone in all activities. With pride, I welcome our cheerful judges, Dr. Prakash Sanjeevi and Dr. N. Marimuthu sir, for their constant support for all our events. I would also like to welcome our head of the department, Dr. D. Inbagandan, and Dr. Stanley Abraham, scientists, and thank them for their constant support and guidance to all the events. Next, I welcome all the other scientists from our center who were encouraging us in all our activities. Last but not the least, each and every participant who is the strength and success of the program through this wonderful platform of knowledge sharing. Now we are moving to the competition. Today we have with us four judges, Dr. Prakash Sanjeevi sir, Dr. N. Marimuthu sir, Dr. D. Inbagandan sir, and Dr. Stanley Abraham sir. Shall we go with the competition, sir?
Please. Do you have any
Yes, ma'am.
internet connection problem?
Students,
Anu?
sir?
Anu.
No, sir.
Okay. Responding a little bit delayed with the delayed response.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Anu, please
so
go
the
with the
rules and guidelines for the students have been given as they have to pick.
Yes, please go ahead.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Okay. Is my internet connection?
Yeah, I think so. It's a little bit.
Anu?
Yes, sir.
Please disable your video and talk.
Okay, sir. Now is it clear, sir?
Please proceed.
Yes, sir. So the participant had given three themes: the marine ecosystem, marine pollution, and climate change. These three topics are related to ocean, and the do's and don'ts are they should painting, which is the digital painting technology should not allowed. Participants have to hand draw or paint on the given theme. Making simple quote and narrations in the drawings or paintings will be the added points. So shall we proceed with the participants?
Please.
Anu, please announce the participant.
Yes, thank you, Vinny. So the first participant is ID number is 8WP1 Amatullah Zulfikar from MSB Matriculation Higher Secondary School, 9th standard. AWP1, you can now unmute and you can present.
Hello, good evening everyone. I am Amatullah Zulfikar from standard 9P, MSB Matriculation Higher Secondary School from Chennai. I have done a drawing based on marine pollution. So first, let's know about what is marine pollution. Marine pollution is a combination of chemical and trash, most of which comes from land sources and is washed, blown or thrown into the ocean. This pollution results in damage to the environment and to the health of all organisms. I think we are more responsible for the cause of marine pollution because we are the ones who throw the trash in the ocean rather than putting it in a trash can. Plastic is one of the basic examples for the cause of marine pollution, which we use commonly in our daily life. We don't realize how harmful it is to our environment. The living creature may be in suffocation or drowning just because of us throwing plastic and other harmful things in oceans. So I have drawn a picture in which people throwing their trash in the ocean as if it is a trash can, without realizing how much it can cause trouble to the creatures living inside it. The message I want to share through my drawing is that plastic in all forms are all choking our plants. We must find ways to reduce and eventually eliminate single-use plastic products. Thank you.
Great, Amatullah. Wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Actually, judges, and Vineet, I want to know.
Yes, sir.
Today we just want to listen to those narration. Do we have any interaction, or just we have just listen to the narration alone?
Yes, sir. If the judges have any questions to the participant, you can please interact, sir.
Okay. Judges, if you want to interact with the participant, you can.
One small information, sir. We have 33 participants.
33. That's what I am
33.
saying. Let
Yes,
them explain and proceed. Okay.
Yes, yes, sir. That
Better,
will be
Dr.
fine.
Inba.
Is it okay, Dr. Mariamuthu?
Yeah, it's better.
Yes.
It's better.
Okay. I think
The-
Sanjay Prakash also there. It seems.
Joined. Yes. He also
Yes, sir.
joined.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please. Okay.
Anu?
The next participant, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. The next participant is ID number is AWP2 Anandu S. Prasant. His school is Sripuram Kannur and standard 10th. Anandu S. Prasant, you can unmute and you can present.
Good evening, all. I am Anandu S. Prashant. The picture I presented here is about Indian dolphins. I want to say something about its conservation. For centuries, people have hunted dolphins for their meat and blubber. Today, their main threat comes from being caught accidentally in commercial fishing nets. Dolphins must rise regularly to the surface to breathe. Becoming entangled in nets prevents this, leading to their drowning. For Maine dolphins, warming ocean temperatures because of climate change have caused some of their primary food sources to move into deeper and cooler water. Furthermore, marine heat waves, also caused by climate change, appear to have a negative effect on dolphins' reproductive rates and ability to survive. In addition to hunting and entanglement in fishing gear, freshwater dolphins face the additional threat of dams fragmenting and degrading habitat. Dolphins are sea mammals that arguably have the closest spiritual, intellectual, and social link to humans of all sea creatures. Many people have said if they could come back as an animal, they would choose to be a dolphin. Like others, dolphins are regarded as intelligent and fun-loving animals. In some cases, this is true, but they can also be aggressive and unpredictable, and their habits and behavior are far from understood. Dolphins may swim through the water as gracefully as any fish, but they are not fish. Dolphins are mammals. This puts them in the ranks of other famous marine mammals such as whales, seals, and manatees. Now, the question arises, why are dolphins mammals? This is because they are warm-blooded. They breathe through lungs, not gills. They give birth to live youngs and produce milk for their youngs and have body hair. So this is my presentation. Thank you all.
Thank you, Anandu.
Thank you, Anandu S. Prasant. Shall we move the next participant, sir?
Please,
Yes,
please.
nice.
The next participant is AWP3 Anirban Mukherjee. You can unmute and you can present.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Good evening
Participant, a
to
kind information. Sorry for that. Kindly stick to the time of 1 or 2 minutes since there are more participants. And present. Thank you. You can present.
good evening to my respectable elders and judges. I'm Anirban Mukherjee. I'm starting to describe my picture of Awakeneur Picasso. Today, we all can see the bat picture drawn by me at the computer screen. I didn't color it too. Now, why I have drawn it? So, judges, I have drawn a simple water body in the picture and a bunch of waste in that water body. So I want all to explain how cruel the human beings are to our nature and sea. We have made our lovely sea our dustbin. And sir, also, I didn't color the image to mean that if we don't get aware of our environment, the oceans are faded nowadays. But soon, like this, our lives will also be faded. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you, Aniba. The next participant is AWP4 Arwa Sabuwala. Yes, you can present. Arwa Sabuwala, are you there?
Arva is here, but Arva, you can speak, please.
Okay, we can move the next
Yeah,
participant.
please. Yeah.
The next participant is AWP5 Fatima Aishatul Samra.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Good evening, judges and elders. Myself, Samra. I'm in class 9th. I'm from Tamil Nadu in Thoothukudi. I have chosen the topic marine pollution for my drawing. Through my drawing, I like to confess that our carelessness leads to the destruction for the marine organism and its animals. The more we ignore this, the more it will get worse. My drawing is what is happening nowadays in underwater, and if we continue doing this, the consequences are not even imaginable. My drawing implies that the marine animals are in extinct and in danger, while we are simply enjoying our life without even thinking about our faults. We all should spread awareness about it. This is what I have prepared. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Next participant is serial number AWP6 G Archana from Kendra Vidyalaya Karakudi, 10th standard. G Archana, are you there?
I think Archana is not here, sir.
Okay, we can go with the next participant. So the next participant number is AWP7 GS Logita.
Good evening, one and all present here. My name is GS Logita and I am representing from Tittangal Nada Vidyalaya School, Chennai. I have portrayed the marine pollution which is currently happening across the world as my drawing. All the sea, water, ponds are getting polluted because of industrial waste that are disposed directly into the water without any safety precautions or any methods such as filtration process. Due to this, many living organisms is getting affected more and more. Due to marine pollution, many animals are affecting more and the fishes were dying a lot. Hence, we need to avoid the industrial waste which is happening and we need to save the water for our future. So please, don't waste water, don't hurt animal at any cost. Save water, save life. Thank you for giving me a wonderful opportunity. Thank you, ma'am and sir.
Thank you.
Sir,
the next participant.
Excuse me, Anu.
Yes,
sir, Arva want to present, sir.
Yeah. 5 it seems.
Yes, sir. No, sir, it's 4. 4. I will present. Yes, sir. Arva, are you there? Arva?
Will it ask her to present in the final?
Yes, sir, sure. I think she has some problem with the mic, sir. So we are moving to the next participant.
Yes. The next participant is AWP8 Hariharan KS.
Hi everybody, this is KS Hariharan from TNV. I am proceeding my drawing with the topic called the marine ecosystem. Let's know what is marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystem are the largest of Earth aquatic ecosystems and are distinguished by water that have a high salt content. Nowadays, due to many threats, many lives are threatened due to several pollutions. And due to overfishing, these these lives are these lives are living. So we just protect many aquatic lives and save marine ecosystem. Thank you.
Thank you, Hariharan. The next participant is AWP9, Hari Krishna S.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can present Hari Krishna.
Good evening, everyone. I am Hari Krishna from Vedavalli Vidyalaya. No water, no life. No blue, no green. This quote says that if there is no water, no living beings cannot live. If there is no water, even plants also can't grow. Water plays an important role in our day-to-day life. Without water, no one can imagine their life. Water not only helps us to do our daily works, it helps in generating electricity, construction, etc. We know that agriculture is the backbone of a country. The water is must. From this, I am coming to say that water is an important source for everyone. My topic is marine ecosystem. Nowadays, humans are started to pollute the ecosystem for their own need. So we need to stop that. Thank you.
Thank you, Hari Krishna. The next participant is AWP10, JM Sheetal from Vedavalli Vidyalaya, 10th standard. Sheetal, are you there?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear you. You can present.
Yes. Good evening, all. I'm Sheetal of class 10, Vedavalli Vidyalaya. And I took this marine ecosystem topic because to show that marine ecosystem are the largest of Earth aquatic ecosystem and which provide us food security and feed for the livestock. So, and I have shown some important
Sheetal, are you there?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please continue.
Yes, you can continue.
Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. And to show the importance of them, I have drawn few sea animals like starfish, jellyfish, and octopus, which present in it. And I have used different poster colors and markers to show the different kinds of sea animals which present in the sea. Thank you.
Thank you. The next participant is AWP11, K. Kamala Saraswati from Christ King Matriculation, 10th standard. Kamala Saraswati, are you there?
Hello?
Yes, you can present. You can present. Kamala
Good
Saraswati.
evening to everyone present here. Hello, can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear you. Continue, please.
A blissful evening to everyone present here. I am Kamala Saraswati. I thank you for accepting my picture and giving me this opportunity to speak about it. I have drawn this picture based on the theme marine pollution. Oceans are the most largest and the most treasured ecosystem of our world, but it is being used as a trash bin. Now, the ocean is going to be an ultimate dumping ground for our refusal and misadventures like industrial pollution, oil leakage from tankers, medical trash, plastic trash, etc., which somehow reaches directly or indirectly to the sea. Recent studies have shown that medical waste, particularly masks and gloves used for COVID-19 prevention, is a new source of marine pollution found in coastal areas and sea. The citizens are not aware of this. The marine litter and pollution is affecting marine life and particularly the fishes which we consume. For our comfortable life, we don't bother about the materials which are dumped in the sea. So now it is time to wake up and save the sea,
save the world. Thank you.
Thank you, Kamala Saraswati. The next participant serial number is AWP13, Kritik.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
I can speak.
Yes,
Kritik.
Yes, Kritik, you can.
Hello, everyone. Myself, B. Kritik from BPM Metric SM School, Madurai, from the state of Tamil Nadu. Today, I feel extremely glad and happy to present my drawing. As we all know, as our planet Earth is facing lot of crises and problems due to the pollution, so it is very important for us to save our planet Earth as soon as possible. Never ever dump plastic and waste to the ocean. Please do not forget that even marine organisms have a life just like us. If not now, then start today. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Kritik. The next participant is AWP14, L. Anishta.
Good evening, everyone. I am Anishta. Now I am going to present on the topic marine pollution. First of all, I would like to say that marine resources provide us lot of natural resources. And yes, where umpteen organisms are living. Please people do remember that waste are waste. So stop giving it to other living organisms and stop making toxic marine environment by releasing toxic substances from industries. Plastic tortures the ocean forever without gets degrade. Tires turn into wires and make the organisms to suffer and kill them. Endangered species must rescue so that our next generation will see the organisms in real and not in real. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Anishta.
Santoshini, you can present now.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
This is yours.
Yes, sir.
Yes, proceed. What is there?
First of all, I thank you for choosing my painting, sir. The ideas I come to say in this painting is how we are polluting the ocean and to reduce the effects by taking up few preventive measures. I have used red color for causes to show it is danger and green for solution. Now I will explain how we are polluting the ocean. The main cause are sewage, a pollutant which enters the ocean directly. Littering. When we litter into the ocean, some non-degradable substance, especially plastic debris, remain suspended in the ocean and pollute it. Land runoff. Due to heavy rain, waste things in the land being dragged into the ocean. Ocean mining. Mining in ocean disturb the organisms living in deep ocean and its ecosystem. Large scale of oil spills. It is extremely toxic to marine life. These causes are not only polluting the ocean and extremely danger to the marine organism. To save the marine organisms and the ocean, we should follow these solutions. Do not leave the sewage waste in the ocean and dispose it properly. We have to clean the oil spills in proper manner. To reduce plastic, we should use reusable products and recycle it or reuse plastic products. Stop littering and use dustbins to dispose waste. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Santoshini. So the next participant is AWP Mehnaz Shaikh.
Hello, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello.
Please go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Myself, Mehnaz Shaikh from Standard 9, St. Joseph's High School, Karwar, Karnataka. My topic is marine ecosystem. My drawing is all about ecosystem, where I show the different trophical levels where the algae and the planktons like phytoplanktons absorb the sunlight and become the primary producers, and from here the energy is passed to the zooplankton from these fishes and other aquatic organisms, and finally it reaches to humans. As the earth is 3/4 covered by the water and 1/4 by the land, so we justify that the planktons are the higher producers of oxygen than the trees on the earth.
Save water, save life. Thank you.
Thank you, Mehanas.
Yes, sir.
Next participant, AWP 18, Mridula M.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Mridula. I'm from Vedavalli Vidyalaya, Ranipet, Tamil Nadu. So my drawing explains about marine pollution, which is very common nowadays. We are polluting the water by factory waste, disposing chemical waste in water bodies. Because of this, all marine creatures are losing their lives, and and people starving from the food nowadays. These factories, instead of cleaning their waste, they're disposing all the chemical waste in the water bodies. So let's take it serious and stop polluting water bodies. Thank you.
Thank you, Mridula. Next participant is AWP 19, Muskan Jahangir Shaikh. AWP 19, you can unmute yourself and talk, please. Sir, he is not available in the here.
Okay, next participant, please.
Yes, sir. Next participant is AWP 20, NB Sujita.
Hello, sir and ma'am. I am NB Sujita of Tirthangal Nada Vidyalaya School. I have drawn the marine ecosystem. The sea, the greater unifier, is man's only hope. Now, as never been, the older phrase has a literal meaning. We all are in the same boat. This represents that oceans are the life support system of our planet and humankind. The seas flow over nearly 3/4 of the earth and hold 97% of planet's water. Marine ecosystems are aquatic environments with high levels of dissolved salt. There are two types of living organisms. There are defined as two factors, biotic and abiotic. Biotic factors includes plants, animals, and microbes, but abiotic factors include sunlight, oxygen, etc.
Yes, Sujita.
Thank you.
Sujita,
Yes,
can you
sir.
hear me?
Yes, sir.
Whether you are drawn in digitally or
No, sir. I itself drawn, sir.
okay, which
Have you
colors?
got this picture?
Yes. Which colors you have used?
Sir, I have used I have a big color pencil, sir. So there are many colors in that. So I have fully colored it with the colorful colors, sir.
So you used pencil for this.
I used both pencils and paints. I used everything, sir.
Okay, Sujita.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So the next participant is AWP 21, N Sri Madanki. Sri Madanki, you can unmute yourself and talk, please. Sir, she is not in the chat, participant list. Shall
Okay.
we?
Okay. Yeah, move to the next.
Yes. Next participant is AWP 22, R Samyukta. Samyukta, you can unmute yourself and talk, please. So she is also not in the list, not in the participants. So she has also not joined.
Yeah.
Next participant is AWP 23, Ram Kumar.
Hello friends, I am Ram Kumar from Vidya Metric and Secondary School. Based on the theme Marine Ecosystem, I am drawn this picture. Marine ecosystems are aquatic environment with high level of dissolved salt. These include the open ocean, the deep sea ocean, and coastal marine ecosystem, each of which have different physical and biological characteristics. And it has many millions of creatures and species in marine ecosystem. The ocean has a wonderful scenery in the depth of the ocean. Marine ecosystem can be classified as salt marshes, estuaries, the sea, the ocean floor, the broad ocean, the interior tide zone, coral reefs, etc. And now it has been polluted, and because earth and many creatures and organisms were harmed.
Thank you. The next participant is AWP24 SA Samyukta. Samyukta, you can unmute yourself and talk, please. So she is also not joined. Shall we move to the next?
Yes, please.
Next participant is AWP25 S Durga Devi. Durga Devi, you can talk.
Everyone, I am S Durga Devi. Hello, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, Durga Devi,
Hello,
we can
everyone.
hear
I
you.
am S Durga Devi from Tirthangal. So today I am going to explain about climatic change in ocean. So we want a greeny nature, but due to industrial waste, the oceans are getting polluted. And the climatic change in ocean, the temperature of ocean get reduces, and it is one of the main reason in climatic change in ocean. And I have also drawn painting in marine pollution, and oceans are getting sicker, so now we have to do something. As a youngster, it's our duty to save the marine, and we have to stop polluting marines. And less ships, more fishing will be there, and we have to increase the pollution population of fishes. And no water, no life, no blue and no green. We have to take the quote as an important. The only conclusion I don't want to protect the environment, but I want to create a world where the environment doesn't need protection. Thank you.
Next participant AWP25 S Durga Devi. She had drawn two paintings, sir.
She wants to explain the same.
Marine pollution, and here I have explained about we should not put plastics in the water which is getting polluted, and the industrial wastes, oil and liquid wastes have been given into the water and polluting, and fishes are dying due to this, and the cruel oil from the ships are spilled in the water, and the marine is getting polluted. So we have to, as it is in our hand, as we are polluted. It is a reason.
Durga Devi, you have been muted. Please unmute and talk, please. Yeah, please go ahead.
So please, we have to save our ocean. It is our duty as a citizen. We have to save our ocean. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Durga Devi. The next participant is AWP26 S Sri Vaishnavi.
Studying 9th in SBI Matriculation and Higher Secondary School. I have drawn a drawing related to marine pollution. I try to expand this to paint that people polluting river, ocean, lake by throwing plastics, washing cows, bathing on the riverside, and pouring the chemical waste to the ocean. Animals are died because of the waste from the factories mixing with the water, and it affects the fishes and marine animals. From this drawing, coming to show that use reusable bottles, use less fertilizers, and so on. A plastic version. We need a way of change. Please make awareness with people.
Vaishnavi, are you there?
I think so. Some network issues for her.
Yeah.
Okay. Shall we move the next participant?
Yes, yes.
The next participant is AWP27, Sakina Mustafa Vasatwala.
Good evening, everyone present here. I will start explaining my drawing. The drawing which I've drawn tells us about the life of marine creatures being interrupted by human activities, like dumping garbages over a large scale, throwing away of plastic waste which affects the marine life severely. Like in this picture, the whale drawn consists half of its body containing garbage and plastic waste because of eating a large number of waste. That waste gets entered into their bodies unknowingly and affect their health. The oceans cover 72% of the planet's surface, provided over 97% of the world's water supply and over 70% of the oxygen we breathe. We have so much to thank to the oceans for. However, they are threatened daily by natural and man-made pollution. Ocean pollution comes in many forms, but the largest factor of affecting the oceans is plastic. Over the last decade, we have produced more plastic than we have in the last 100 years. This sharp increase in plastic entering our water harms not only marine life but also humanity. Thank you.
Thank you, Sakina. The next participant is serial number AWP28, Sham SV.
Hello everyone, myself SV Sham of class 10 studying in Tirthangal Nadar Vidyalaya School, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. This drawing which I have drawn is based on some of real stories happened because of marine pollution. In 1980, near the wild of Miseru, people found a turtle of unusual shape because of the plastic ring. The turtle stuck into the ring for 20 years. Really, it was the saddest news. This case was drawn as the imagination of the mermaid stuck into the bottle in my drawing. We know that the sewage cannot be stopped flowing into the ocean, but the decomposable waste can be used for making biogas. Then the other factory wastes can be recycled again in the factory itself. For example, water consists H2O. In this, oxygen is used and hydrogen is not, but it is a good source of energy. Likewise, every waste contains some energy. We should find that and use it. This way can stop the more amount of wastages entering the sea. Next, in my drawing, there was a whale bearing the factories that represent that the aqua animals are the only affected because of the marine pollution. Day to day, the amount of fishes in the sea was decreased, but it is not good for our world. It may affect the food chain. Next, there was a topic that tomorrow world. It is about how we need to make our world like it should be polluted free. For that, no me or you can do it. Everyone should join hands to do it. So let's make our tomorrow's world beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you, Sham. The next participant is AWP29, Sharukesh T.
Good evening to one and all present here. I am Sharukesh T of class 10 studying in Vedavali Vidyalaya, Ranipet. A drop of water more worth than a sack of gold to a thirsty man. Our mother planet Earth, also called as blue planet, because it contains 71% of water. In that, 96.5% of water is saline water. Only 3% of water is fresh water in the world. In my drawing, you can see a fish in a fresh water where it is happy. But due to human being, the water is polluted. This leads to the death of environment as well as the end of human beings. So let us mark a new world for creatures in our environment. Let us join our hands together to save and safeguard ourselves. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sharukesh?
Sharukesh, are you there?
Small clarification, Vinith, if you are.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
the fish is in fresh water. Is it right?
Vinith, show the Sharukesh picture.
Yes, this one, sir. This one.
Yeah, whether he is there, Sharukesh?
Sharukesh. Yeah.
You said that the fish is in fresh water. Is it right?
Sir, that are plants in aquatic, sir.
No, but what about the fish?
It is in freshwater, sir.
It is in freshwater.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the movie Finding Nemo?
No, sir.
Okay. You just watch it and then get clarification by yourself. Okay?
Okay,
It's
sir.
actually a marine fish. So you just go and watch Finding Nemo. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sharikesh. The next participant is AWP30, Sonam Kumari R.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sonam Kumari from Vedavalli Vidyalaya, Ranipet, Tamil Nadu. It's not the marine pollution, it's life pollution in the marine. Picture conveys million thoughts without uttering a single word, and I hope my drawing would have conveyed and provoked many thoughts in you. I wanted to convey my thoughts and feeling about our activities towards our Mother Nature. With heart full of sorrow, I have tried to figure out the reality what we people are doing nowadays. In the sake of cleaning the environment, we dispose the unwanted waste in the water body, such as plastics and so on. But we don't realize that we people are affecting thousands of lives in the ocean. I would now like to conclude with the quote: a positive but can open the doors of impossible. So let us come together and take some efforts to reduce the marine pollution. Thank you.
Thank you. The next participant is AWP31, T. Latikha. Latikha, please unmute yourself and present.
Good morning, everyone.
Please continue.
Myself, T. Latikha from Bharati Vidyalaya Senior Secondary School, Chennai. Marine pollution. Marine pollution can be defined as undesirable changes in physical, chemical, and biological properties of ocean. Water resulting in harm to living resources and impairment of quality for use of ocean seawater. Creatively, we can put a mask to this marine creature, but practically it is not possible. Instead of that, we can save them by not polluting their home. And yes, the ocean is their home. The marine animals are allowing us to use their home, hoping that we will not disturb them. As the human, let we don't spoil their home. So stop pollution, marine pollution, and save them. Thank you.
Thank you. The next participant is AWP32, V. Praveen.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Please go ahead.
I'm V. Praveen of Tirthangal Nadar Vidyalaya. I have to tell you that marine pollution in all over the world affects many sea creatures, and many whales have been polluted by industries and factory wastes, ship oils. Whales are enormous, their sizes is tremendous and their weight is stupendous. But these creatures are dying every day in all the edges of the world. So please stop polluting marine. Thank you.
Thank you. The next participant is AWP33, Shahabia Mitaiwala.
Good evening, everyone. Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Please go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. My drawing explains that the ocean faces a massive and growing threat from plastic. An estimated 17.6 billion pounds of plastic leaks into the marine environment from land-based sources every year. That's roughly equivalent to dumping a garbage truck full of plastic into our ocean every minute, and plastics never go away. The ocean are one of the Earth's greatest gifts to humans. Beautiful and valuable ecosystem teeming with life that provide everything from fresh food to careers for the millions that would otherwise be out of work. These seas that were are so dependent on my seem perfectly healthy, but not everything is as it appears. The ocean are likely a slowly wilting flower that has been beaten down over the years and is now shedding its last petals. If something is not done soon to fix the mess that humanity has made, then it will be too late to save some of the irresponsible fishes that make life easier each and every day. Marine life conservation is a method that is working to save some of those petals. This type of conservation works to save species of the ocean and the aquatic habitats in which they reside. My drawing is a quote which is save the ocean, save the earth, and say no to plastic. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So, sir, can I continue my last time my mic was not working.
Okay. Nafisa, can you tell me your
AWP 4 Arwa Sabuwala.
yeah, okay. You are logged in from different account. Okay.
Shall I start?
Just a minute.
Wait, 1 minute.
We will change the picture, then you can start.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please.
No, did you find out that picture?
Yes, sir. Her ma'am had sent it wrongly, sir. Now I called her and I asked her to resend. Now she had resent the new image.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I start?
Yeah, please.
Yes, sir.
Hello everyone, I am Arwa Sabuwala from MSD Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Chennai, and I study in class 9th B. The painting I did is based on marine ecosystem. Marine ecosystems are the largest of Earth's aquatic ecosystems. The painting I made shows different types of marine creatures like octopus, turtle, jellyfish, starfish, dolphins, and many other fishes, and also shows many, marine plants like cycon, tube sponge, and many other species of plants. This shows how diverse marine ecosystem is. In the end, I want to conclude my speech by a quote that we are using resources as we had two planets, not one. There can be no plan B because there is no planet B. So, to save our marine ecosystem, we need to reduce marine pollution and save our Earth from destruction. Thank you.
Thank you, Arwa.
Yeah. I'm stop sharing. I know you can share now.
Yes, I will share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, it's started sharing. Just a minute. Yeah, please go for full screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sandhya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
yes,
please.
you can present now.
I'm Sandhya from Vedavali Vidyalaya. This drawing is drawn on the basis of the theme marine ecosystem. From this drawing, it is clearly shown that marine ecosystem is a beautiful and amazing creatures in our day-to-day life. It is also very important for we human beings. Healthy marine ecosystem are important for society as they provide raw materials for medicine. From this, it is clearly shows that it is an judicious thing to have in our environment. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandhya.
So that is the end of the first category, sir. So we would like to hear from the judges.
So the next category, how many presentations are there?
So total 24 presentations are.
Yes.
Yeah,
24 are there, sir.
I just want to hear from Dr. Prakash as well as from Dr. Marupati. Stanley sir is there?
Yes, sir. Stanley sir is there.
So shall we continue?
What about the categories?
So they belongs to 11th and 12th.
Oh, okay.
So far we have seen 9th and 10th. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Exactly.
But I have received only one document.
Yeah, sir. Actually, we have the categories are for today, 9th and 10th, and we are planning to do it on the next day.
Okay.
Next day means that tomorrow.
Tomorrow, sir.
At what time we have planned?
Sir, that is
Depending upon the judges'
convenience of the judges.
convenience. Sir.
So then it is up to the judges. Prakash and Marimuthu have to tell the timings. I'm okay with any time.
I don't have any issues because tomorrow is holiday only, na?
Yeah.
From home I can manage it, no problem.
What about Prakash?
We can have it tomorrow in the same time.
Same time, I think that is not possible, it seems. We can have it in the daytime at any time for your convenience. Actually, tomorrow they have planned for a quiz. Am I right, Vinit?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There is a nail down event. Sir.
Yeah, there is a quiz program by 6:30.
Yeah.
So, shall we plan on the daytime?
Maybe I will update you, sir.
Okay. Hope we can update the timing on the WhatsApp. The judge group is there, no? So can you update the timings on that? Okay. It depends upon Prakash's convenience. We can hope Dr. Marimuthu and Dr. Stanley can stick on to the same time. Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then that's okay. So. Is it enough, Vinit? Are you going to give any kind of information to anybody?
Yes, sir. Anu, you can continue with the...
Yes, sir. If any added points are there for the presentations, the judges can tell now, sir, regarding the presentations. Or else we can wind up, sir.
Any comments from the judges will be interesting to
No, actually, I just want to know that AWP 25. I just want to see her picture again.
Okay, sir.
Can you share?
Yeah, sure.
AWP 25.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. She presented 2 pictures, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Durga Devi.
Yeah. The first picture I want to see.
Yes, sir. This is the first picture. Sorry. Yes, sir. This is the first picture.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Anu,
shall we wind up the session, sir?
Okay. Marimuthu sir, Prakash sir, as well as Stanley sir, your views? Shall we wind the program?
Yes, please.
Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Imba. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, judges, for your wonderful
so
session.
Tomorrow